So hey guys, my name is Tahsin Azad and today I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox a new phone which is very latest, and it is known as the Samsung Galaxy S9. Yeah. So it is the best phone in Bangladesh right now. So I ordered it some days ago. I pre-ordered it, so it came today in 20th March. It was going to come in 28th March in the whole Bangladesh. They were going to deliver it, but 3 came in our division, which is Sylhet. So for special 3 customers, and one of them is me. And I didn't buy this. This is my mom's. And I'm the first one to get it in Sylhet. The other 2 is still in their shop, which they will deliver it to the people later.
This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the most special thing about this is the Super AMOLED Infinity display, and the camera. It has two cameras. The S9 Plus has 2 cameras, 2 different apertures, the f2.4 and the f1.5. It also has the 2 different aperture camera in a single camera, and
a free transparent case.
And there's a secondary camera also. And,
charger brick.
And this is the 64GB version. It has wireless charging, and yes, this is the OTG cable. Yes, and it also has the earphones by AKG themselves.
I'm showing you now.
And it also has a feature of iris scanner.
Yeah.
This is the AKG earphones, and it also has iris scanner, and there's a feature called intelligent scan, which uses the face recognition and the iris scanner, and it also has the super slow-mo.
So we can say that the unboxing is
so this is the OTG cable, a USB A to USB C, and this is the cover, transparent cover for the S9.
Free.
And this is the power brick. This is the adaptive fast charging for S9, and there are earphones included by AKG. This earphone costs $100. And then we also got this wireless charger.
So for pre-ordering.
Free for pre-ordering.
Otherwise you wouldn't get this.
Wow.
What?
So this is the
Fast wireless charger.
wireless charger here. That's it.
That's it. It's $200. Yes. So guys, this is the most satisfying part. Yo, the plastic.
So that's it, guys. That was it for the S9 Plus unboxing.
Yes. So we will be back with a special review for the phone.
An in-depth review of the phone.
Yes. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you next time. And I will do that video with him, no problem. So peace out.